Howdo. Welcome to today's video. Right, a little bit of context before we begin, because if not, we kick straight off into the video. Don't make a great deal of sense. So, I'm an ambassador, if you don't know, for Blue Light Cycling Club, brand new cycling club aimed at the emergency services. So if you're military, if you're police, if you're fire, ambulance, NHS, or any of those, then you can join this club. Not only do you get to join this amazing club, link is down in the description, but you also open up yourself to amazing sporting offers thanks to their main sponsor, Endurance Zone. Endurance Zone, woo! Link down in the description as well if you just want to sign up to Endurance Zone. Right, so they did a 4-day cycle trip around kind of the south of England. You'll see where we went when the video starts, but I picked up just after day 2 stages finished, so they headed over to Silverstone. Silverstone allowed the club to cycle around the famous Silverstone F1 track, which was amazing. So I joined them there, and then off we went on a 2-day expedition heading back into London, where we would go to the Police Memorial, because this was all in aid of COPS, which is a charity that helps people who have lost loved ones in the line of duty. It was a very emotional time for me, right at the end. But before we get to that point, let's see how the ride went. Don't forget to subscribe, you absolute legends. I meant legends. I'm not bothered. Hello everybody, welcome to day number 1 for me, day number 3 for everybody else on the Blue Light Cycling UK ride, I think they're calling it. These guys normally do London to Paris, but obviously they're not this year. So what they're doing is a 4-day stage ride around the south of England. I'm not gonna lie, I can't remember where they were yesterday. I think they went Cambridge to Silverstone, and today we're going Silverstone to Woking? I don't know. All I know is 85 miles. 85 miles. But the biggest dilemma I've got at the minute is the fact that I've got 2 bags and I can only take one with us on the trip. The other one's going in the car. I don't know what I need to take and what I don't need to take. So this is the current situation. A bit messy, not gonna lie. Yeah. Rid of those. They're clean. It's just no one wants to see your pants, do they? Boxer shorts, not pants. So this is the bag I'm not taking. This is the bag I'm taking. So non-essentials in here, essentials in here. That's essential. That's essential. This not so essential. That's going to be essential with 60% chance of rain today, and the rest of it can go in this bag.
I'm still standing on something and Martin Johnson's taller than me. My life.
Always one. What are you 3 doing? Perverts. First 10k in the bank, pretty easy, nice steady pace. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of glad that the majority of these riders have got about 200k in their legs already. So I'm not gonna complain, I'm not gonna moan, I'm not gonna whinge, which are all the same thing really, but yeah, a lot of tired legs here today, a lot of tired legs. Right, 50k into the ride now. We're going just 2 hours, so just under 50k. Nice leisurely pace. This is a nice ride. This is nice and easy. Nothing too strenuous. Still got a long way to go. Still got plenty of time to show my length if I need to. If it comes down to a dig measuring comp, I'm sorted. All 4 inch of it is coming straight out, you know it. Daisy, happy birthday to you. Hooray! 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 Woo woo! It's Daisy's birthday today. Speech!
Thank you.
First real challenge of the day. Dave is already dying. He's gone, look. He's cracked. He's gone. We've put him in the hurt locker. But to be fair, it's pretty bloody steep. Don't stop! Daisy stopped! Daisy! Get it! It's your birthday! Get up! Do it! She's done. She's done. Come on, Daisy! Dave, you are a sweaty mess. Bring it out again.
I'm not sure it'll happen again. Hold on.
Come on, you will. That is disgusting.
That's graft. That is graft.
Hiya! We're about 75k in. I feel alright. Few people are struggling, I'm not gonna lie. Few people are just starting to feel it. We've just had lunch, which was just the most syrupy of syrupy flipping flapjacks you've ever seen. So we're all on this little descent here. Do you know what? It's really nice to be out on a social ride. This is not smashing it. This is not trying to get comms. This is simply enjoying other people's company, which I don't do very often. And here's a crew here, look. Whee! There she got back on a bike, look. She got back on a bike. Look at that fitty over there, look at them legs. Oh, damn. Oh, yeah. Them some nice legs. Flex the old muscle. Hello everybody and welcome to the dangers of stopping for a nature break and not concentrating. Good chance you might piss on your handlebar. Yeah. However, it's fine because it's probably water anyway. There you go. Job done. 100k in the bank. 100k. 35k to go. Got the Super Domestique still with me, still working hard, still pushing. Boosh. That's it, job done. Job done. Boom, look at that. Where's the welcoming party? Where is everybody to cheer us back in? No. Thanks, mate. Look at this place. This is Woking. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the longest ride I've probably done. I don't know. I really don't know. Must be a year. Tell you when it was. It was Tour de Yorkshire Sportif. that I made a vlog about. Missed it.
Get everyone together.
Good morning.
22.
That was the last long ride, and this is the second. And we've got another day tomorrow, but it's only 20 to 30 miles, something like that, so it's not too far. Hey, check this out. Great minds think alike, right? Dave's brought his Hypervolt. So have I. Time to get busy with fizzy. So, little quick tip from the old days as a pro. Ice bath after you've been out on a long ride eases those muscles, aids recovery. You just gotta have the balls to just get in it and sit there and enjoy the coolness. And also enjoy the shriveling of your manhood being sent back inside you. Just do it. Stop being a pussy, just do it. I'm gonna do it. Just do it. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I'm done. Alright, once you're in though, it's fine. It's fine. But there's a difference between this and an actual ice bath. An ice bath with ice in it. That's next level. Morning, alright. So, it's the morning of day 4 for the majority of people here. It's day number 2 for me. It's only 30 miles into London. We're riding into the centre of London. Austin Healy's here, right? If you don't know who Austin Healy is, that means you're very young. If you know who he is, you'll realise what an absolute bloody legend he is. Like, I'm talking a legitimate sports star. They have a legitimate sports star here. Really nice guy as well. Unbelievably nice guy. Not unbelievably nice, because I always expect people to be nice. But he is. He's really nice. So I'm not riding with him, but everybody's riding with him. Riding into the centre of London, going to the police memorial. Obviously, this is what this ride is in aid of, to raise money for cops, and should be a leisurely one. Everyone should be in a good mood. Everyone should be in good spirits. Dave's probably not in good spirits because the man kept me up all night snoring. I think he had 1 shandy. That was it. All right. So, you know, a little bit peed off at him, a little bit. Here I am trying to sleep, be a good boy, do all my recovery the way I'm supposed to, just so I've got nice fresh legs for today. He rocks up, 9 o'clock at night, after his 1 shandy, falls asleep, snores all night. It's all good fun though, and luckily we're only doing 30 miles, so I'm now going to get changed. Hey, look, the Pinkies are making a debut out on the road. I've never been out on the road with them, but I thought special occasion, special ride into London. It's going to stay dry. Should be a fun day. Bravo! So here we are on the towpaths of Woking, I think, somewhere like that. We've got a woman. Merci. So we're on the canal towpath heading into the centre of London. I don't know if this is the route we were supposed to take, but it's the route we're on. The guys are lined up, out the bike. Clear right! Dave's out the bike, struggling. Big time.
Easy.
Easy!
Morning. Thank you.
Morning. 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 Thank you. Bit tight down here when there's like, so I don't know if the rest of like all 60 riders have come down this route. If they have, pedestrians are going to be well miffed, but I don't think they will have. I think they've gone the road route and I think we're taking a bit of a diversion. I don't know if it's going to be longer or shorter, but it is what it is. Thank you, morning. But look how beautiful it is. You've got the canal here, you've got boat houses. Did you know Richard Branson used to live in a boathouse before he was like uber rich? Do you live in a boathouse? I don't know if I would. I really don't. Here we go, let's get killed. Morning. Morning. Doggy! Nearly ran a dog over. Look at that one, that's like, not that one. This one here, look. Look at, it's got all moss and shit on the roof. That is old AF. I wonder how much they cost. It'll be a no from me on that one. It's a no. It's a no. Die already. There you go, check it out. We're the last ones to arrive. I don't know why they're clapping us though. We're literally the laziest. The laziest. The laziest of them all. Well done, Dave. Well done, Dave. And then luckily for us, we arrived just in time for the wreath laying at the police memorial. And I'm not going to lie, it was really emotional. We had a minute's silence for those people that had lost their lives in the line of duty. And standing there looking around, it was it was emotional, because all I'd seen for the past 2 days were like-minded individuals who love riding their bikes, who love cycling, and I spoke to so many of them. It's amazing to hear what area of police or the Coast Guard or military they were from, but to see them all standing around and realising that when they're not on their bikes, they are serving or previously serving officers, it kind of hit home that these are the people that protect us. These are the people that protect me and let me just crack on with my life while they're sorting goodness knows what out behind the scenes. And it was really humbling. Like, it really was. And obviously we were there to honour those that they'd lost, which was, it was just a fitting tribute. And the ride raised plenty of money for the charity, which was amazing. The link is down in the description, so if you want to donate to that charity, if any of it is, if you've been affected by any of that, or if you want to show your support for the police force and the families of those that have lost a loved one in the line of duty, then feel free to go down in the link in the description. You don't have to, but I'm just saying it'd be nice if you did. Loads more rides planned with the Blue Light Cycling Club. I cannot wait to get more involved with what they're doing. I think it's amazing. That's the video, it's done. You know what I'm going to ask you now. I'm not even going to ask you. Don't even need to ask you anymore. Because if you haven't subscribed, you're about to. And if you have subscribed, you're going to leave a comment and you're going to hit that like button. Everyone's a winner. But huge thank you to Blue Light for allowing me to come along on the ride. It truly was an absolute honour to have ridden with you all. Thank you. and I'll see you a lot on the next one. Hey.